Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for Vietnamese stir-fried egg noodles with beef, or Vietnamese Chow Mein. This recipe contains restaurant quality flavors straight to your home. It is a simple recipe to follow, but not so simple in taste. This delicious dish is sweet, savory, with a kick in spice. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make Vietnamese stir-fried noodles. You will need 1 pound of beef flap or any tender cuts. You'll need half a bag of Chow Mein pan-fried noodles. To be exact, that's 170 grams. 1 bunch of choy, also known as choy sum. 1 red bell pepper. A small bunch of fresh cilantro. And 5 cloves of garlic. For the seasoning, you'll need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a dash of ground black pepper, and optionally a sauce that consists of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 crushed Thai chili peppers. To begin, the first step is to cut the vegetables. I'm going to put some of the ingredients away to clear up some space on the cutting board. Then I'm going to grab the choy and cut them into pieces 1 inch in length. Put that to the side for later. Next, I'm going to cut the cilantro, also 1 inch in length. Then the bell pepper. Lay it down on its side and cut it in half vertically. Get rid of all the seeds inside, then slice them into thin strips. Put them to the side and start on the garlic. For the garlic, we are just going to mince them. As a recap, we have choy cut in 1 inch in length, cilantro also in 1 inch, and thin strips of bell pepper. On to step 2, slicing the beef. The beef flap comes in a pretty big size, so start by cutting it in half along the grain. Then what you want to do is cut the beef into finely thin pieces against the grain. For step 3, we're going to boil the noodles. In a large pot, boil some water on high heat. Add in half the bag of Chow Mein noodles. Let it sit for about 4 minutes until the noodles are al dente, meaning cooked enough to be firm but not soft. Then let it drain completely for a couple of minutes. On to the last step. Step 4 is to stir fry the ingredients. Using a large pan or wok, add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Use chopsticks to see if the oil is hot enough. If it sizzles, then add in all of the minced garlic from earlier. Quickly mix it around, then add in all of the beef flap. Then lower the heat to a medium temperature, then cook the beef to your desired cook level. Once cooked, now it's time for the seasoning. Add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, the 2 teaspoons of sugar, the 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, and the 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Then add in all of the choy and red bell pepper. Save the cilantro for the garnish. Mix it evenly. Then add in all the cooked noodles. They will stick together at first, so break them apart. Then mix it so that there's a nice blend of ingredients and flavors. Lastly, add in the dash of black pepper for the finishing touch and mix it one last time. To plate it, swirl the noodles around, lift it up, then transfer it to a plate and enjoy. I spent a lot of time making this video, so if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button to support the channel. If you haven't already, I would highly appreciate it if you subscribe for more weekly Vietnamese cooking recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, it's your turn to get cooking.